Good morning student. Welcome to the biology class. This video is the continuation video of process photosynthesis. As you know student, what is the process of photosynthesis? In the previous video already we have taught about that the process of photosynthesis. As you know, what is the raw material is required for photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide, water and sunlight in presence of chlorophyll pigment. If this factor is a increase or decrease, which is affect the rate of photosynthesis. In this video we are going to learn about what factors are affecting the rate of photosynthesis. Let us start the video with the factors affecting the rate of photosynthesis. First we see the light intensity. As you know student, sunlight is very important because the photosynthesis process is carried out only in presence of sunlight, and the sunlight is required, very important factors for the process of photosynthesis. The optimum range of sunlight is required for the process of photosynthesis, but in some except condition like a plant which grow in the shade, they have no need to the strong light. They very weak light is also they can make their own food. Means what? The quantity and quality of the light increase, the rate of photosynthesis also increase, and if the light intensity is decrease, then rate of photosynthesis also decrease. Got it? What is the first factor which is affect the rate of photosynthesis? It is a light intensity. Got it student? Next factor is the carbon dioxide. As you know, the carbon dioxide is very important raw material for the photosynthesis, and the carbon dioxide the plant take from atmosphere and convert into the carbohydrate as a glucose. So the carbon dioxide is required for in the very high concentration increase the rate of photosynthesis. If the level of CO2 is increased, the rate of photosynthesis also increase. Means it is a directly proportional to the photosynthesis. The carbon dioxide increase, the rate of photosynthesis also increase. The carbon dioxide decrease, the rate of photosynthesis also decrease. But in the very few condition, very high concentration of CO2 cause the stomata close. Why? Because in the vehicle pollution there is so much carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. It is harmful to plant. They disturb their enzymes, so that times the stomata will be closed. So the rate of photosynthesis also decrease. Means the optimum range of carbon dioxide is required for the process of photosynthesis. Got it student? Next is the temperature. Temperature is also affect the photosynthesis. Means it is depend on the habitat of the plant. The plant of the climate, cold climate, they have ability to conduct the photosynthesis in the low temperature, but the warm climate the plant is required the high temperature. The optimum range of temperature for the photosynthesis is 10 to 35. It increase the 10 degree, the rate of photosynthesis also double. Means the light intensity, level of carbon dioxide and temperature both are directly proportion the rate of photosynthesis. Means these three factors are increased, the rate of photosynthesis also increase. These three factors are decreased, the rate of photosynthesis also decrease. Got it student? If the very high temperature, it is also affect the activity of enzyme, so the rate of photosynthesis is a decrease. In the last important factor is a water. As you know student, water is very important because with the help of water plant can make their own food. But in the water is also minimum, means optimum range of water is required for the photosynthesis. If some is the deficiency of water, the decrease the rate of photosynthesis. Very large amount of water, that times also the plant cannot grow because of it required the loss of energy for transpiration the water from the atmosphere. So it is the constant quantity is required the water to the plant for a process of photosynthesis. Got it, student? There are 4 main important factors which is affect the rate of photosynthesis. Got it? Next topic is the significance of the photosynthesis, means the importance of the photosynthesis. As you know, student, the plant is the primary producer in our ecosystem. We all, as you are a consumer, as you are a decomposer, all depend for the plant for the energy, because the plant is a autotrophs. Autotrophs means plant can make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. These foods transfer the energy from producer to consumers. First primary consumer, secondary consumer, tertiary consumers. Like I will give the example. The grass make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. This grass eaten by grasshopper. This grasshopper eaten by deer. The frog is eaten by snake is eaten by eagle. Means like that, the energy is a flow from plant to the all animal. Got it? Means it is the primary source of organic food for all form of life in our ecosystem. Got it? Means we are depend for the plant for a food. We need the carbon dioxide, we need the oxygen. Where do we get the oxygen? We get the oxygen also from plant. Means the photosynthesis help to purify the air and maintain the oxygen and carbon dioxide in our ecosystem. Means in respiration we throw out the carbon dioxide. In the lower classes already you have studied about that. The carbon dioxide which we have exhale, these carbon dioxide used by the plant for the photosynthesis, and they throw out the oxygen. This oxygen gas is required for the respiration. Got it, student? Means there is a plant on the earth, that's why there is a life on the earth. Means we all depend for the plant for food, oxygen, balance of the air, and another important things, we get the fossil fuel, which is also we get from the plant. The billions of years ago, the plant is deep buried into the soil, and this store the fuel. Basically it trap into the under the soil, and by the process they convert into the fossil fuel. Means we get the fossil fuel by the process of photosynthesis. Got it, student? What I taught you today? Today I have taught you the factors which is affecting the rate of photosynthesis, as well as I taught you the importance of the photosynthesis. There are 4 factors which is affected the rate of photosynthesis: light, intensity, level of carbon dioxide, temperature, and water. These 4 factor is directly proportional the rate of photosynthesis. Means both factor are increase, the rate of photosynthesis also increase. The 4 factor decrease, the rate of photosynthesis also decrease. Got it, student? And importance of the plant, as you know that we get the oxygen from respiration. We get the oxygen for respiration from the plant. We get the food from plant. We get the energy from the plant, and plant balance the oxygen and carbon dioxide in air as well as purification air. We get the fossil fuel also from the plant. So this lesson is very important for us. What is, student? What is the process of photosynthesis? What is the raw material? What is the structure of chloroplast? What is the thylakoids? All I have taught in that lesson. Got it? This was the last topic of our lesson. And all of you, best of luck for your first term exam.